Hi everyone, Hannah here and welcome to Easy Start Tutorials. And by the end of this video, you will know how to manage your orders with our order form features. So what is order form in Easy Start? It is an order form based on WhatsApp or Line, WeChat, where the customer can directly purchase your products directly from the order form itself. All right, so the reason that we have this feature is because people nowadays have the tendency to shop online through their mobile devices. Let's begin with the tutorial today, how to create an order form with EasyStore. It's very simple. You can do it less than a minute. So let's begin on the tutorial. First things first, you need to log in into your admin panel. So on the left hand side here, you can see channels. You can click on channels and scroll down, and then you can see WhatsApp. So go ahead and click on it, click and enable WhatsApp. Once it is enabled, you can insert your display name. It can be your company name or it can be your product name. And then go ahead, insert your mobile number so that your customer can directly contact you through this mobile number. All right, and then click save. Once it is saved, you can go ahead and click on the create order form. Okay, so on this order form, you can see the title, products, and data collection. So we're going to add the title first. So here I'm going to add health and beauty. And then you can choose the products. So inside here, I only have 9 products. But if you have more than 9 products, like 100 products or more than 100 products, I highly suggest you to choose 20 products, just because that once the customer go into your WhatsApp order form, they won't have to scroll a lot to see of the product. So right here, I'm going to choose the product, or you can search the products by name. And then add the product. Once you've added the product will be listed here. All the variants and all the products will be inside of the WhatsApp link. So go ahead and click on save. You can see here the WhatsApp form link. Go ahead and copy it and paste it to your WhatsApp so that your customer can directly purchase it. All right, so you have done creating the order form. It is very simple, right? Within less than a minute, you can create the WhatsApp link. So this is for the customer point of view to see what is the order form looks like. Once you send the link, the customer will click on it. The customer has to insert their name, their phone number, and email address. Once they insert their name, phone number, and email address, they can choose the products that they want to buy. So they've selected these 3 products. They can either send a message to you or they can just directly purchase it, and then it will directly go to your checkout page. All right. So this is from the customer point of view. They fill in their details, they fill in their shipping methods, and then they just click place order buy now. So once the order has been placed, how would you know that the order came from WhatsApp? You have to go back to your admin panels, go to orders, and then you can see just a few seconds ago, place an order with via WhatsApp. Here is the WhatsApp icon. So that's all for today. I hope this really helps. And if you want to see more of our tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, or you can watch our related videos here and here. And thank you for watching. Bye.